Deepika wore this stunning, beautiful look at the Louis Vuitton function, and I decided, since I have created my Bollywood makeup series, why not recreate this look? I hope you're checking out my previous videos, but if you're interested, let's get started with today's video. Your eyebrows can either make or break the look, but if you do it correctly, you will nail it. To start off with the brows, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz Pencil in the shade dark brown. You want to apply the eyebrow color softly and make sure you're blending it in too. This will make your brows look very natural but filled in. Now let's go in with a brow gel to seal the brows in place. Going in with the Kosas concealer in the shade Tan and the Anisa Beauty eye prime brush, which I've linked in the description, apply it all over your eyelids. Apply that to the bottom lash line too to make it cohesive. With the Colourpop New Moon palette and the shade You're Sorta Beautiful, with a tapered brush which I've mentioned in the description, apply that to the outer V of the eye. Now go into your crease and blend it there too. Go in with any fluffy brush and blend that into your skin tone. With the shade You're Sorta Beautiful, apply that to the bottom lash line. This look has more of a contouring effect on the eye. Now with the Sigma E42 brush and with the shade Your Everything, let's apply that into the crease only. And back into the tapered brush, blend those colors together. Do not overblend it because we want that contour effect. To define the eyes, I'm using the Hourglass Waterproof Gel Eyeliner in the shade Obsidian, and I'm applying that close to the upper lash line. And now with the smudge brush from Jane Iredale, let's blend that out precisely. Avoid making the line too thick as it could pull down the eye and make it look heavy. And now with the other side of the brush, smoke it out. With the shade Soul Reader and going in with the Refer 03 brush, let's set the eyeliner in place. I can see that most of you are not subscribed to my channel, but you're enjoying my content, so please make sure you're hitting the subscribe button. Back into the shade Soul Reader, and now with an angled brush, you're going to create a wing. Keep it nice and subtle. With the Refer 03 brush and the shade Your Everything, let's go out and subtly smoke out the black eyeshadow. This will not make that line look very harsh. And now with the shade Your Everything on a pencil brush, apply that close to the bottom lash line. Now with the Sigma smudge brush and the shade Soul Reader, apply that only to quarter of the eye. If you're enjoying this video so far, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel too. For shimmer, we are going in with the shade Wolf Pack on our fingers and we're going to gently tap this on the eyelid. Avoid the liner as much as you can. Start from the center and go towards the inner corner. And now with any flat brush, you're going to take the same shade which is Wolf Pack on it and apply that at an angle towards the inner corner. Your eye should look something like this. And now with this shade Your Everything, let's gently blend that out. And with a tapered brush with the shade You're Sorta Beautiful, blend that into the shimmer. For eyeliner, I'm using the Pat McGrath eyeliner in the shade Black Coffee and applying that to the bottom lash line. Now curl your lashes and apply a good quality volumizing mascara. This is not the end yet, wait for the next step. And now back in with your concealer, apply that underneath the eyes to brighten it out even more. This is extremely important. And there you go guys, this is Deepika's Louis Vuitton beautiful look. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks so much for watching guys, and don't forget to catch on this series. See you, bye bye.